Good morning everyone, it's me Prasamsha Thapa from class 6. Today I am here to tell a short speech about environmental pollution. Environment means the surrounding where we live. Pollution means making something dirty and impure. Thus environmental pollution means making our surrounding dirty. It is a burning problem today. It has bad effects on our health. Pollution is mainly caused by human activities. We need pure air. Impure air causes many diseases. Today there are many factories and vehicles. They produce harmful gases. So air is being polluted. Land and water is also increasing. People cut down trees. They use pesticides. They throw garbage here and there. Harmful chemicals wastes are thrown into the rivers. So water is being polluted. Migration population growth is also causing pollution. Pollution invites many problems. It has bad effects on living beings. It also causes many diseases. It also causes drought, famine, acid and etc. Land loses fertility. We can't produce enough crops. Ozone layer becomes thin. The natural balance is badly affected. Pollution should be controlled. First of all, people should be made aware. They should be taught the importance of environment. Reforestation should be started.